Boris B oko prempekali oye muasem oye muasem Nkoko na no ye one of the best Nkoko ho experts any next year uko school panso a utimi ye Nkoko maye Boris B no we yes yeah
okay well senior with that CP medical chief on
TF4
and the match also
it's me watch
oh boy you mo is it agree about what I fatao
that's it
that's it I feel so you need the amadi and the senate so
yeah
utumfo
yeah
aja adama unyankopon anti baby
yeah
na onkwaso I feel so you share the near share waka enkremophone a Christophone common let's see if you I say assassin so away ye pill yem pill yin na see trouble osumbia obia wo di ogidi and we have to respect it so I respect you be some na teacher fa ho die so e die bufu ni ntokwa 7 people be there we say okay prempe ya hu bisa you so was no we be there
omdom betimi
na the father was for headmaster who say o pebe grab
munko school pa mo na pokuari mi general manager ni manyi nyina ko pokuari wanko school pa wanko school pa anyway
eti events me feel say sanu mano die yintwaso hwe nanu me call say be masalachi me dem Nkoko ikoi so say we Nkoko ni halal organic omo chine fefe so le chekura so ye afedie na ze eswantino ke de be 200 and something pieces the koi
wow
omo ni gie
we Christoni ba de konkremufo no omo je Nkoko no
say unim ma respect omo doctrine no Islam and according to Quran senior unity so ku aboa no Islam kwan so the halal similar on now kemoni na ekunu twa ne ti kama amo ne jade nyina so ne na dizako na clean na no Trump no si etiemu ya omo som no kemofo som no ne se dum su ku omo moa no emma aboa no kwan more healthier because mo jade nyina drainy
ya kono
yan to your boss near respect you
tina ma membusa Boris B farms no wa fan kremofo
tina ba na me dem kura kuma okolo ago be me dem kuma okolo se kremoni na ikunu a Jibril on Jibril on na ikunu okolo
yes o ye Christoni no kremoni wa fan adwuma
yes
wan ka so ye kremoni
baby sakina just say baby
I say we put where ye adwuma
na me akra no my first girlfriend akra no ye kremoni.
Hey, senior.
Oh, massa.
That's right. Any no munsu.
I mean, no.
Nhyira 104.5.
So, muncha ho mami. I only here.
Me someone mama found.
No.
Me want to tell Madina,
that's right.
I'm sweetheart.
That's right. I see.
Oh, but just say
it's neat. Senior.
Sir, on a solemnly and you will be
yes.
On the Ushia Cremoni bar or Shana Taritantina on tie exposure. Now, so called two Cremoni bar of Fina Sebi and for whatever reason, Pia Bonti was seizing on was shed a nice shirt and a skirt and as if your shorts now or fear. Oh, what's that?
See, yes, Yankopa Badi.
Just say, one here, where I'm here, so
Maclusuno.
Once a trim. Now, the me cane, what him say, or quackle, tuntum. Come. They were friends, a lady be area of Cotello, near friend Leila. Oh. Sister, you came up with a memory, you know, be a friend. Could no come. And already do to be kind of
yeah.
The Kakusiana said, senior Christopher ma ho ofe no saa so na Christopher ma so ere ho ofe na moma yina na ye respect ye ho na ye ntimi ntra so dwem titu Ghana asidi ye ne Christopher yina ati so dwem enti ni kwase basabasa bia ba e ba school semwa ye yina ntimi nko school ba ko ne respect ye ho krimoni free nyame a on frɛ Christopher so bol empire
do we see to say the huni? I mean, you're a businessman, a Christian. When it's coming from GD4, we are the lighter. What's your count be a ben? Now you're so entrenched. What does it mean? Because I'm expecting say be a baby a Christian business for so I be a Boris being so count so what was there. Okay, anyway, a criminal so for a human because is it not dangerous? Are we not seeing it?
No, I know the question because one thing I say, once a year na Christopher does. In fact, as I say, you take the initiative. I would say at least encourage and also bring people, on board and also allow say be biano. You feel mama IFE, masa unity no. That me are privileged amongst us. So yeah, Moses, what does na say more entrenched position. Now you want to act in a weird way. I don't know before ban. On them shares. Now I feel so no ye no more and cremo force so no. So be a Christian for Juma. Senior tia say Sabio in Yabako. On them shares.
Yeah.
And ebi a wo Christopher mu so akoye adwuma ebi a hono probably mosque anyhow it is ebi a kremu because of so free of course ko free nyame a esi nya nice place once bit by the free nyame yes you boy empire as I say me dey make akusi as I said it me accumulate
because I'm at here oko eyijeya Christopher wo ha kremu for now everybody is okay.
That's right.
So what's the big deal?
But sometimes I na do baby wo ha some people inferior complex.
Okay.
And a day near ba. Ubu ha oba no kwan. Ubu no fear. Say, ebia you whom say bia me saint no. On me chiaze. Ebia me ntibinyes. No. Ye na hu o say nipa. Ye nkoye ni.
Senior Fiamra Nkoko no so. Ya $300 million eko kra akoko every day eba. Enti say me no we disan common pay.
Yeah.
It's good to say Nhyira Mahama de akoko Nkitinkiti naba. But are we saying say Nkoko ni yentimi nya no ha? Yentimi nya no ni yentimi mfa bi hye fridge mu. Na nka bro nya yi. Me ko pe akoko a Boris B de na me ko akoto free cold store ho. Yentimi nya na.
Medawase. Ene de wo busa asam kese pa. 300 million kase dollars a kraban. Minya and quite so. Also, Mampany Kassem said we all must be ashamed of saying allow me of close to $400 million in a crank Koba. More unapproved route. And as a chomushim, yeah, calculation there, we are hovering around 600,000 metric tons, which is 600 million kilos. Now, 600 million kilos, seniors here share even now 1.3 kilos or divided that, which means we're talking about 461.5 and change million.
Ne de kofa akoko.
And Nkoko ne eba krumha. Now, unzo mampenyi de Ministry of Agriculture and the Ministry of Trade and the Ministry of whatever. Ebe the nam yashene pepe no. Ne de ba non so akenkai. But yeah, dear, we share AU, ni Brazil, ni other places. Omukika boom no de banwa. Let him say yes. We have a lot coming into this country. It's me, I am a desse and ne omampenyi. Who sadly, but I think, sir, I mean, and a previous government, you remember when he started with the broiler revitalization project, which I was a financier to it. Now, I don't know, also, the floor of UN, say if, I mean, the incentives, for a Greek hono and as a poultry hono. If they could take it off, they na a fair playing field. Na yet me then a young Nkoko and mom didn't cheap so much so with me push by your crew mazi. I be compete with the idea because sometimes on the production level because of your rates near forex rates near didn't know. And my production cost slightly a codonym. It's automatically no Ghana Nibika say yeah, they didn't see local one. But then Ghana for are comparing oranges to apples. So many years back produced chicken, any fresh chicken, price it mean nyepe. It starts from there. It mean nyepe. And until then we compare apples to oranges, which I don't think it's really fair. But sanke, yes, see a producer the good free him. I'm ready 5 years. And the ever turn after 5 years, actually, I come on say old price, you know. Any current price ever and Canadian full. But because we are used to fresh.
You try your near use
for Senegal, fresh meat, slaughtered, grilled, didi. Now, who can say be say, yent me nyana, yet me ye. Say yent me produce Nkoko, mobin to cut frozen ones near the. Now no man penny by me way. So we but produce fresh. Darko farms are produce fresh. Rockland are produce fresh. Palm farms. Joris or Asamoah Yamwa. Here were farms a year produce fresh ukrumasi. Na unze zebio mina mwa pasumbuala.
Yeah.
O mampenye ba abesrame. Nunti ye kan ubi ehu. Sa o mampenye o so chicken mu no. Onso hu o say fantastic. O share bibie all the fridges and also wow. Boris. Mr. President. O hu say I didn't know in the Kutano. Yeah, packaging nicely. Boris B chicken. Oko and Oko of a shop right. Ubinyebi. Palace Malls. Ubinyebi. And I'm a branches of my baby and Poku trade money now, baby. It's a fresh. Santaso runabout. One of the main joint. Opposite you to you. Ubinyebi. Fresh. I'm a kuno. And not cry a slaughter cocoa. Ye iba. Etimi nimni entia. Sebio onia. I could do pempens was say. You encourage so much. Also, all shame Nkoko because Mr. President, if it's going to be difficult for us to cut into parts, the thighs, the wings, the breast, and the crumple cross, still you will be a cutting. But if it's a very difficult amount, even to start with, say, slaughter Nkoko, my emfa whole chicken, stop a whole chicken.
Whole chicken here, day.
Say, I couldn't money now.
Okay.
Who's our call shops and supermarkets? No more than Kolumba, no more turn for fufu.
Okay.
Undercutting us. Now, many are kind of crew. I will come in a ton of 60 cities.
And you're normal.
Who call other and you're normal.
And you're normal, yeah.
I mean, enough for full of me, no, yadi. I didn't me, no, engine, Messiah. I will call 60 cities and the eternal.
60 cities,
Supermarket biano with my experience, but in Nkoko, only 35% in Tusu. Margin in Tusu. Because on some free is 24 hours of electricity.
Yeah.
It's another 60 cities, subtract 35% to free.
Of 16.
I got 39.
39 cities. Yeah.
Say shop margin. Do you also supply shop no? Anye biano or 15% margin. I shop no. 30-15% to be in free. You know your calculation. See, I can tell you 3.3.
15. 1.5, yeah.
Do you know Nkoko bar? So the fence ship. Duty shipment near the financials are 10% cry. Senior minus another 10% to be senior, which I care about 29.8.
83 is 29.8.
Me, I'm slaughter chicken or said they slaughter chicken. Some small margin. They made 2 money per corner over ton. Some more margin.
Yeah.
Financial 15%. Also 15%, minus 15%.
It's a brooch. There were no papa and coconut more beton.
And so, not Zaukona, Dabidruni. Do you know, who kono? If it be outgrower, and if it be as an uncle farmer, outgrower also 10%. Senior, so 10%.
Is it or titting and cocoa Nkitinkiti?
Yes.
Okay.
So in truly. What the emphasis who kono bo pani. Now, your dollar rate is it as a
11.
See, we're divided by 11. you saying $2. Senior, and two patch that we Nkoko they say $2. You turn a brooch, the fruit brooch is here. I say, I hope that shelf so. I say, it is either $10.99, $11.99, or $12. Oh, that's and after West $9.99. It is a little bit me crown who come back room and see between 60 cities.
Okay, me person me say nti calculations ni nyina ne senka sa $2 ena bebia wo mu ye no abrochiri hoyi ke ye ka ne sa ka sa $2 ne ye pese
enya possible say obetimi aton ahoko $2 sana person chew eti no so bi ko ton abodin de bazia. How come say with me ton in supermarket 60? It is either say unapproved route.
Okay, I get it.
Or
because I broached no, I use $9 or $10 near ton.
At least full chicken there.
But Obaha
ton for cry about 6. Oh, just want to say 7. It's there now. Go to patch him. Say ton $2. Bruh,
let's say between firm.
Oh, well, I can you, Mr. Pacho, with the ultimate cow who journalist.
A
businessman. Because
I could fresh no cry crano. O could be 100 ne 120.
Now, but Brad divided. They say on the market, say I'll pay 150 and 140.
Yeah.
Yang Boris B slaughtered chicken, and the menu animal more poultry farmers. They say who car half chicken 47 when you be.
Hey, sir.
Full chicken
fresh one.
Yes, 65 above.
Okay.
When you be. And then nipa aye orders are on person to
because they're fresh.
It's actually organic. It's actually halal. It's actually fence without growth promoters. No chemicals, no antibiotics, no growth promoters.
And ya Nkoko force
fresh. Now, what was the president Mama can't be here? Was on the near Jones on the ministry come
difference room.
Bruh. Taste it yourself. Now, no, who's the side grilling where years account?
Oh, okay.
You're quite grilling where years. Among 4 more years to somebody. When you're pesse, poultry farmers say what gun in Yinano. You tell me, yeah. Now, what is something making us? Yes,
I'm Muguso. Yeah, 10 say so. Imagine say 300 million plus year. Ye kotam no bosumi bia e kasa fibia no ye mamu bi sen na mo betimi akobiti se aban say 300 million no ye mamu sen Boris B akoko daako akate farms ne sen ye de mama mo betimi at least atimi manage ama ye be 40 to 50% production
million
senior
so I can scale government the case were taking the initiative. Now the Sikem Maye say Mfanye Sejume. So no can say total amount.
Yeah, 300 million plus.
So boom. Me this eskawi ebe mamu. Uti as one make. Monfa poultry farmers. They are led by association. Monfa enkoye Sejuma we. Emwa Ghana. So by year okay. You because you have collateral bra.
A home crata.
But if the government takes the initiative to believe in some of selected top farmers, Nasa was say, Montri other farmers nina shamasi, Yanche Mamo, not Montmi Sheno Bia Sunyani Chefa, Nentimin cut down ye, Nemum Sikano Enina Sronkwa, Namunya Jumanafa, Onkonomia. Bra.
Now we share President John Mahama. Wanka we anche wanka nche say sika senti omboamu
say if me see President Mahama me didn't far the value chain ni nyina mu wie no hu say no any sanity their processes I organ has seen of free minister of agric see only Haruna Dusun kasa na ye omo inform no na yema through get fund on my contracts. There are producing in Ano, you produce Nkoko, and farmer schools. The one or Fred events are 2,000, no, say 2,000 for share budgeting. Okay. To maize, rice, eggs, and chicken locally.
I saw that. Yeah. Let's say President Mahama tie wafutu.
On the video, it's in there. Or team wafutu right away.
Say yema senior high school ni basic no there.
Yes.
Akuko bia should not be akuko fools.
No.
It has to be from Momo farms.
No oil lunch no can be akuko fools near the no hunika akuko wewu.
Akuko bruni wewu.
No kasa asem. In fact, you see, Adina President Mahama Diaban, the Biameka, me see, we should all embrace it, devoid of party colors. We should not be on fat at the fee be in the Nkoko. Oh, be on Casacasa Basmas, be in the Nkoko. The entire makers and say, Sebi. Nana say, wouldn't say, me can't be that. You are the donker by.
Minim say we MPP ni mamen kanisa nti o kanisa ya we too diplomatic minim say we MPP ni minim say oboa MPP but minim say we businessman na on fast adien when it comes to business.
Exactly. It is asama okay enu na mpese metwe nkwamanfo nyina adwen koso say mpo me I made the first car and then who prospect be we become friend with buy almost 3 decades dana minyere adwuma we nko na meye na say bio me no require to school dem a and me sua adwuma for so many years this is how be my quadrim
wabi
but if also so den so just wabi enti menye hunu no abai bia bebia no as see it me dey eboa. Now let's not forget say SAR project we on the MPP latter part of it West African Food System Resilient Project which is FSRP project. Now they were the same line with World Bank. No way they almost so which I was part of it.
Great.
What I see. It say it falls in line with Nkitinkiti and continue on that level, which is good. Now, the managing who P said this time round, President Mahama started with 55,000 households, it's going to allow them to almost develop the taste for the local chicken, the love for the local chicken again.
Say no and the truth is say we are always yen Ghana for the no who say difference room.
Exactly.
No pay difference room. Ofifimu enwo de kama.
O hwe me wo ayibi amede aba limestone. Calcium carbonate. Anu ye de ye Fredrian na mamwa no.
Good.
Na say o wia say o problem with say vitamin D.
Vitamin D, baby, you like it.
You like it, pa. But if we Nkoko no, until say Nkoko no, and I say Nkoko o Ghana no, poultry farmers no.
Ghana for
Nkoko no. We dear no. What you say?
When you vitamins be sa account,
calcium levels need fine.
Bring ye there say we Nkoko ne baby.
And you mean go many poultry farmers ni na.
My yen na yen hu didi mamu.
Yes, I know the about homes. Now me pese Ghana fo nyina twentwi befie
say ye de de
any bit must stop Nkoko no a efre amon ni ba no na mpanyifo so to scan fo a no to have so say de yenu no kra Nkoko ba no on se ye kan se ye mon hwe am ga se ye kasa tiam as de ye mpese no mbo ye adwuma ya ready me ndime nkoya Nkoko no kukum san
cotton
adai
yeah.
Boris be here and I feel some more person more grilling Nkoko ton. Mumre. My fan Nkoko grilling. Mom person ton business mumra. Na mo fan ton. The more na more far ton, the more na me Nkoko Emma poultry farmers no. Or me me outgrowers no. Miss because say me ma hoko. Mama will feed. Mama technical support. Be we are hoko no wi a na ma chi wo mu nyina. No kum.
Nti ye say kanim e kanim say minya wi a me wo de oto ama me
there you won't you see the oto ama me say no President Mahama e de jebi ba say yen Thomas schools no ba me de ne de so he de no kumgu containers no na de a o say no me de ma poultry farmers say nyame nko na me ye enyame nko na me ye adwuma no
right
me ne me poultry farmers na de ye adwuma no na said ye be ye betimi atre ya him ama na fa o my Ghana mu nyina poultry farmers he say mo to no show my
enye ntentem
kosua no ne Nkoko no mo to my ntem so mo to my ntem a say ade na sa ne na so de Fufroma said Biosia.
Say Juma Udu Nibua, a Juma send a bit me a critic say again in 10 media present.
I said, no, it is a era 2 4 since will be creating 800,000 jobs,
which is very possible.
But the poultry farmers, we can create 1 million jobs. I'm not joking.
1 million.
The value chain of every 10,000 can employ 120 people.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a massive size because also was for count.
A minim.
Pempino, Prepany be a mocha or poultry, also was for no one.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. 1 million jobs. 1 million jobs. That's it's possible, and
we can create it.
Do you see honesty in President John Mahama say Adeno can any political talk? I'm asking this because next time previously minim challenges are ukomu ni nasefu ni nyina. With this one in Nkoko Nkitinkiti no, is it not one of those political talks how yabeshia yabo because previously one day one factor I knew what happened. When I drew baby no now the funding. Is there any honesty? Say this time around, any mere political talk, name Boris be together with other local poultry farmers, ya empower Oma, a bedroom baby na John Mahama be free, na Ghana at least. It's we can say we are just importing less than $50 million or $100 million.
Minia, we will hold the president by his word. Last seminar, Wakano, ye better, ye be soon. Unim na you so many sense say minim pefe say this time round no on said they will see Nkoko and we're ready for say or be revitalize or revamp the poultry industry. Now to say the start of it also the policy framework is addressing 3 stages.
Right.
The 3 stages, the first stage of the 55,000 households, each of them getting 50,000.
Okay. And
the second one, senior, also farm to table with 50 anchor farmers will be having 80,000 birds.
Wow.
And then with the 4 million. Yeah, didn't know. There's already a video in Busan say, Mr. President, what I remember, say that Bene and Sabeka
Momodiano.
No, so a check a launch. So he's going to launch the farm to table.
Okay.
And one air professionals near them. That's a year bemua. Oh, and what they say, must that the table is so clear.
Yeah.
That does not make sense.
Yeah.
Mass in sense. Say, Uncle 4 million. This is the mortality rate I have been. We finish it with slaughter, we get a certain carcass weight. Carcass weight, this is when we are senior. I've been here say, Moano, say near 5, say near Kumawi, say near. Schools in the Ekone, yes, a qua, Yaton. I finish say, yes, practically.
And then I can. Right.
So say, there's a fear for the year. On say, or boom, bitchy. Or chess, amount 50. We ain't be no DB. Now, DB is so, now what me be a day. As a human, put me here, and that is a boa. And what's some
Bibu Kakra?
Would the emfa and last year, or the last year, a dofunum, none pursue 55,000 households, almost Saka. But about professionals, no. Send the idea. We know our work because we have close to 30 years, 3 decades. We are human. We'll measure the lines.
I say engineer that be.
Meaning say hopefully next year we should roll.
Next year I say.
Next year and waka woman.
Be di bro nyenke wasn't called the 2 nanka.
And Nkoko ye no. The members of mechanic say. Say cry no. I say you move be say the mechanic. E won Nkoko. Ya kuma bi say the obehwe no. Saa nyoma ni nyina no December yi ye mfa ne say omomfa eno. Na yentimi mfa eno nye dai. And any Christmas na after Christmas no so olanchi eno maya
they say Boris wo kakra wo ho ene nkrofo no wo kakra metimi awie for December
until the ye dispose eno for Christmas fama amanfo no monwi na no achi no
ishia
na me sure say nyame ya adomu a obi nim de china on the china so cut sword for a new processing plant will be chin.
Okay, yeah.
Obi nim eno ye poultry farmers be encourage so obi ankobi.
Okay.
Ni enko tidi eno so o ka farm because I don't know omo Nkoko no so wuku ye a odi ase na odi aba na yaku omo na yeah your processing plant so no vazeda komo me aglo samoya mo a kwenifo mo bi no so no e bi sa ho asem yeso so machines no betimi ade abo asa adwuma no on say basa no a betimi ma adwuma na ide akola nim yi what you say
final message unya no mo ye MPP fo ana omu hu Nkoko Nkitinkiti no so mfa so bebere no sa bi bebi aduri eden futu na ade bema wo mu
me pointer me person me kakran say me sure said the education about rearing of chicken no a call family some time back until them will be a casa a tia because I don't know what I say tia it's a project abama a certain industry only side industry anymore why I want to be in TSA
yeah
and what get a big project billions of citizens you want to hear was and yeah friends say
Nkitinkiti sa agro
and go Nkitinkiti na sika na sam na ye ka no so wonya hunu bibi abram ye nchechi umlan ka me hu ye se bionka wo obi a owo adwuma mu na se obetima chemu ya achewa se kesi e consultant no ana me boa na ko chechi mu. But to sit back and blame and say cancel it out of your mind and as be ignore it there. Meaning I mean who say eno die edayi eno die emwa. Na emom no yen nyina no men trechen ka say MPP ni nti no events e go get no go give you hwe ko pebiye
na emwa
unim me see matufu ko pebiye na uye bia. It's a laudable project. It's something we have to encourage, and it's something we have to all put our support. We have to support and make it thrive. Because at the end of the day, it is going to help the forex, help the GDP, and help the economy. Nhyira, that's
it. Senior Boris B. And now what's in Nkoko Nkitinkiti project in the kind or see could pay be Brian Yan faster now.
Nana Absa Bank, Sika 7 to 20 now.